Hi, my name is Gabriel. I moved to the United States 3.5 years ago. I needed to work on accent reduction. I started working with different dialect coaches. It was overwhelming. And then I met Gabriel and he presented me his system. It made things so easy.
Learning Gabe's unique accent reduction method has immensely helped with my personal and professional interactions.
I've been working on my accent with Gabriel for a couple of years now. His method of teaching is just amazing.
Gabe has perfect pitch.
Gabriel has an excellent ear for sound.
His unique sound mapping system does magic.
All of a sudden, I had a system. For me, it's just a dream that came true.
It's been an awesome journey.
Hi, I'm Gabriel, award-winning Broadway credited voice coach and the founder of GB Voice Academy. Welcome home. I've created patent-pending, game-changing techniques that have changed the lives of thousands of my students and that I want to share with you. Whether you're looking to master the American accent, discover your singing voice and take it to the next level, or command a public speaking stage, this is where you'll find the answers you've been looking for, regardless of what level you're at. Subscribe now to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get the latest on my free, easy-to-follow daily vocal exercises, valuable video tutorials, impactful game-changing tips, and so much more. Take the first step, and together we will be heard.